the Workman Circle had one of my favorite memories. They had a Third Seder every year. Have you heard of that? They published a Haggadah in Yiddish. I use that every year at my Seder. And they had the Third Seder at the Waldorf Astoria in the main ballroom. Thousands of people from all over the city, and I was in the choir. And we sang the partisan song, Sag nicht keinmal als du gehst im letzten Weg. We sang the partisan song. We sang songs about Egypt and the Pharaoh, and it was a wonderful, wonderful thing that they had every year. And that, come full circle, I have a 7-year-old granddaughter who lives in Boston, and she just started the Workman Circle Sunday School. So she's going to, follow and learning about that.